ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯔꯤꯏꯟꯁꯇꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯄꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯔꯤꯏꯟꯁꯇꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯧ ꯏꯟꯄꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯦꯟꯇꯦꯇꯤꯚꯇ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ matangda lapada yam nungaiba phawi yam pukningsu yam nungsi amaromda khallaga kapsu kapningi chahi ani tangkhai hena Imphal thadoaga Manipur thadoaga mapanda leirakpasida yumgi wakhan khallaga leirambase nasidi ai ekoi adu impina home feeling ama toraga yam nungaina mayam Manipur Valley CSO mayam singna taram na optibagi yam nungaido poe adugida ai isamak NKLal Thado MP gi Manipur gi Vice President ni ai nakta lebiriba U James Thado ne mana Thado MP Manipur gi President oibini the press media briefing gi damak the President da
2 years of Manipur crisis matungda koina sigi Manipur ki crisis matang sida before crisis ki Manipur ki situation Manipur ki condition amuk reinstall tongna ba khanlakba wakhan khanlakba policy si step da changsinba yananaba koina adum Manipur da leiriba sangstan mayam adum appeal tawbaga loinana asiki first step oina ngarang dagi sida meeting series of meeting adum angthoe sida Manipur ki CSO mayam Manipur ki Maitai brothers and sisters singna ekoi thadobo tram na obdilase yamna appreciate tawi sumaina cooperation dinadi ekoi Manipur sida peace dum hanjil lakani habisi ai achet ba thajabani sigi despite this working or struggle adum Ministry of Home Affairs ki kusin haida sigi sida aina bhakta daba pin daba khalai aidi buji se koi si very limited days ki daba visit lakne si manung sida koina series of meeting series of plan to reinstall the peace in Manipur sida maximum effort CP ni maximum contributions to ing bane adubo Ministry of Home Affairs ki instruction matungin na ai koi si particular places da adum confine to han basida ai koi na pangthok ka daw ba meeting si place ki mapanda pangthok ka daw ba meeting mayam se adum miss to ngai condition da leire sisina akoina changchin liba peace install to bagi thabak sida apanba mayam pirae sisina aina pindaba phungthok tabaga loina na moigi real intention si kaino Manipur da peace lakpasi moina welcome to dabra matraga welcome to what taadi akoina peace install to nangai step lokhat basing si central government amasung state government na support to pham thokra haibisi aina question si thamjani aduga loina na amuk hanna ai ichin now very ki CSO mayam aduga brother and sister mayam go ngamkhai leitna thagat jari haibidi moina fazana welcome to biraga akoina si Manipur da peace install to bagi work to jaba phang basi yam ngai adubo aina haibukumna koi mark sida adum amuk men sida su kaisu problem lainatre adubo home ministry ki instruction makhada koi sida tik tak tham basi pin jadi haibisi na ngasi ichin now media house ki through da public da natraga government da central government amasung state government da thamjani bane
as soon as after 2 or 3 weeks, within 2 or 3 weeks, manung sida another round of talks and another round of meeting will be performed in Imphal. And then, on that basis, we are Kado MP Manipur also preparing for a huge number of members to present in the meeting at Imphal. Kado MP Manipur is already positive. We want peace, and during 2023 we have a series of meetings with state agency and state media and state leaders. After that we have come a meeting with Meeting Alliance in Delhi, and a series of meeting. After a series of meeting, the result was how to say, result hazarakpa ki koi sigal lakto so hajatinge
si hangaga home ministry kyo unaga meeting lega to mane
adugi plan di hojik mak di leitri
brother masangi meeting ki agenda se kari na hala
community understanding ni aduga community after community understanding agreement will be koi even so to say secret. I don't want to expose, but time will come to expose it. The solution must be long three, so understanding of agreement about the
in principle.
In principle. Adubo, the president na hai bugum na kadaw ka understanding the narrative. Understanding and peace is different. Understanding the narrative. Karigi koi bo baza ima market sing karai chat pagi ating ba thambi ra asige thampam toke sineba koi na nasi presta ajam se adun in the next plan say according to the situation and according to the plan say amuk la